Water pollution occurs all over our world today. It is a serious problem that needs to be taken care of immediately. Water pollution occurs in lakes, ponds, oceans, and rivers, and is caused by pollutants being excreted in the water either directly or indirectly. Water pollution affects everything that comes into contact with the polluted water, including the plants and organisms living in the water, as well as the people living around it. The Environmental Protection Agency splits water pollution into two categories, point and non-point. Point sources of water pollution is something that you can physically see polluting the water. Sewage plants, factories, and ships are point sources. Non-point sources of pollution are the opposite of point sources, and that is hard to trace back directly to the source. Agriculture runoff, mining, and paved roads are examples of non-point sources. The effects of water pollution can be very dangerous. Water pollution can poison our drinking water and can also poison the water source of animals that we eat. It can also cause acid rain and cause ecosystems to become unbalanced. Scientists have been researching ways to fix the problem of water pollution for many years. Some of the techniques scientists have found to be very helpful are recycling and being responsible when using chemicals that can potentially pollute our water. Recycling is a very important thing we can do to help clean up our water. It is also necessary for everyone to act more responsibly with their disposal of cleaners and household chemicals. Laws have been put into place to try to fix the problem of water pollution. The Clean Water Act was put into place to stop all dumping of waste into the water. This law has been somewhat effective in fixing this problem. After the Clean Water Act was put into place, other regulations have evolved. There are 11 federal government agencies and 21 federal government programs to monitor the water for pollution. Industries are also trying to do their part by reducing the amount of waste their factories are producing. Environmental organizations are also making an effort to clean up waste in their waters. Companies that produce plastic are now making their products biodegradable to lessen the water pollution they are causing as well. There are lots of things we can do to help prevent water pollution. Because cars contribute to water pollution by releasing acid and hydrocarbons into the atmosphere, which ultimately ends up in our drinking water, I can ride my bicycle instead of driving my car to school. I can also recycle my water bottles and any other plastic or paper items so they do not end up as pollution in our water. In the last several years, the United States has spent over $250,000 to help control the issues of water pollution. This is something that is very important to our planet as well as everyone individually, and we must do our part to help make our waters non-polluted and clean.